Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files with Adobe Creative Cloud, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer files using Adobe Creative Cloud, start by ensuring you have the Adobe Creative Cloud app installed on your device. Open the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Log into your Adobe account if prompted. Once logged in, look for the Files tab in the main navigation. Click on the Files tab to access your Creative Cloud storage. To upload files, locate the Upload button, usually marked with a plus icon. Click the Upload button to open a file selection dialog. Browse to the files you wish to transfer and select them. After selecting your files, click Open to begin the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete. You will see progress indicators. Once uploaded, you can view your files in the Files section. To share a file, find the desired file in your Creative Cloud storage. Hover over the file and click the Share icon that appears. In the sharing options, you can choose to invite people by entering their email addresses. Set the permissions for the shared file, such as can view or can edit. Click Send to share the file with the specified individuals. If you want to transfer files to a different Adobe app, locate the file in your storage. Click on the three dots next to the file to open more options. Select Open In from the drop-down menu. Choose the Adobe application you wish to transfer the file. The file will open in the selected Adobe app for editing. Remember to periodically check your file's upload and sharing status in the Creative Cloud app. That's it, you have successfully transferred files using Adobe Creative Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.